friends, so today we are going to discuss about some important question in English language. Okay, so here first question is said that find the error, okay, from the given sentence. So in first question, everybody but Ram has paid their dues. So the error lies in part C, okay, option C. So here you can see that we use everybody, okay. So here everybody is a singular form, but we use plural form, so we have to use singular form, that is his, okay, in place of their. So now next question is that death of his only son made Mohan desolate. Okay, so here in this question there have no error because it is simple past sentence. Now next question asked that they have played a game last week. So you can see that here last week is used. So all we know that in last week we always use simple past tense. So there we have to delete have. Now next question is that not only she went to Kashmir but also stayed there for a month. So here we use conjunction not only and but also. So we know that here you can see that but also is used before the verb, okay. So stayed is a verb, so we have to use not only with the verb. So here A option is have error. So not only here the sentence is like that, she not only went to Kashmir but also stayed there, okay. So now in 155 question said that Sudoku was first designed in 1970s by retired architecture and freelancer puzzle constructor. So here before was we use design, so it is a passive voice, so there have no error, okay. So option D is correct, there have no error. Now next 5 question is the fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks said that leadership define what the future should look like and dash people with that vision. So option align, okay, here the align should be the correct answer. Now next question, all the people involved in issue feel a great dash to his suggestion. So in option B is the correct. Adherence should be fill into this blank. Now next question is that all the respondents should express their dash view in his questionnaires, okay. So here candid is used because candid means that honest or sincere, okay. So their honest and sincere view required in questionnaire. So for this reason candid is the correct option. Now next question, this ship waited till the storm dash before sailing out to sea. So from the given option C should be the correct answer, abated, okay. So abated means to reduce the amount, okay. So before sailing out to the sea have to reduce their amount, okay. So now next question, I agree your proposal but not dash with your friend. So option A should be correct, I agree to your proposal but not with your friend. Now this we have to improvement, okay, sentence improvement. So from first sentence I said that can this machine be adopted in construction work. So here we should use for. Okay, option C should be correct. In is replaced with for preposition. So can this machine be adapted for construction work? Now the next sentence, the less I see him, the much I like him. So here we have to use the more. Okay, the more should be the correct, because the less we see him, much the more we like him. Okay, here we have to use qualitives. Okay, so the if we use much, it is much always use with quantities. Okay, so which quantity we are not uncountable. Okay, but more is used with countable noun. So now next is I adopted a new method to solve the problem. Here we have to use I adopted, not adapted. Okay, adopted is the correct answer. Because we use adopted, adopted means to so now next question is that you have come here with a view to insult me. So the option of insulting. Okay, of insulting means should be correct option. Now the next question, he found a wooden broken chair in the room. So option broken wooden chair should be used, because the qualities should be used before the subject.